What up, React Squad? It's your boy Dig.
And your girl, man.
And in this video, this look like it's gonna be funny. Admin Ratchet prank on drive-thru employees. Super awkward. I mean, seeing Damien like this is definitely super awkward.
And then he got the crop top on with a fake booty and a wig.
Looking pregnant.
I mean, you want his team, so.
Not this video. We just straight React Squad for this one. Let's get into it.
Let's go.
So first you do this, right? You bend over. Come on, do it.
Like
Do
this?
it, girl. Bend over. Put your hands on your knees.
Okay.
And bounce it, bounce it. Get it, girl. Get it, girl. Get it.
Mm-hmm.
Damien, stop.
Team
That
Damien.
ain't cute, girl.
Okay.
That ain't cute.
Okay, I got too excited.
Let's do a different
I'm
one.
just so excited.
Let's do a different one, okay?
Bruh. Think I'm that fire intro.
How the hell they gon' touch when he came from the bottom? He ain't never had enough. We was living like bruh. Now we good, now we straight, now we up. Now we good, now we straight, now we up.
Now we
They gon' touch us.
Now we
Came from the bottom. He ain't never
Yo.
I messed this all up.
now we good, now we straight, now we up.
I wonder if that's her singing.
Now we straight, now we
Yes, it is.
I told you she sing. That's why she
Not in
like,
that other video.
Yeah.
But she sung on the other video, and it was just like, oh my gosh.
What's good, YouTube? You already know what it is. It's your boy Damien now.
Damien getting a little woozy, smelling all that breath.
Once again, guys, with another banger. No,
Straight.
Today, we're about to be acting Ratchet. But the acting Ratchet again. If you're new to the channel, subscribe right now and join us there. Because we're dropping no bangers back for the rest of 2020. Also, guys, we do post notification shout outs at the end of every single video. So if you guys want to have a chance to get shout out on one of our videos, all you gotta do is turn notifications on. Once you do that, comment down below. Now, Mom. How many likes on this video should we ask for? To do part 2! That's it?
100,000.
100,000.
How much you want?
100,000.
Okay.
Guys, if this video get 100,000 likes, we're gonna do part 2 to acting Ratchet, man.
Ooh.
But anyway, you ready to get dressed?
I'm ready.
So what's your name today?
So today, my name is not Bianca. My name is Brianca.
Brianca.
And my name is Damien. Cut you.
Who said Damien cup?
Let's get it. All right, y'all. So we about to
Carrie
get
and
dressed. We about
Poe.
to get out of here. Oh,
Oh, he must have practiced this a lot, or he an original.
No, you sound like a pigeon.
Okay, so anyway, y'all, what I have over here is I have me a blue wig, you know what I'm saying? Hey, y'all, you guess what? This is the first collab, bruh. This is the first time ever Damien
And Brianca.
has collabed together, okay? So you guys want part 2 to this, because you actually doing this
Yo.
video, get us a fat thumbs up, let's get 100,000 likes, oh crap.
He look like a wrestler with that wig on.
That's the go girl.
Okay, help me.
She's a forehead.
Help me out, man.
Okay. Okay, there you go, girl. We're gonna put your scarf on, okay?
My scarf on? Okay,
Yeah.
go ahead.
Okay, so bend you down a little bit, because you got a big dog back there.
Hold up, real quick. That's like a granny.
That's not the granny girl.
Okay, girl, all right, go help
Said a
me out.
grand.
Hey, let me see. You got a big head. Hold on.
Help me out.
Hold
Help me.
on.
Girl, you know how hey, come
Hold
on.
on.
You know, gotta make sure Damien can look up. Oh my God, gotta make sure Damien
I don't know. Hold on. This ain't gonna work.
Come on, girl, what you doing? My eyes.
Hold on. You gotta do it like, there we go. Okay, now I can do it.
Okay, go ahead. How that look, yo?
Okay.
Yo, my hair, my wig is messing up.
This not gonna work, girl.
Bruh.
It's too silky.
Let me see this
It's
thing.
too silky. It's not
Look,
gonna
he
work.
can't even do
He
it.
wants to do this thing.
Don't put it on like he hooping.
Too silky.
What up? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Go ahead, throw your wig
That's how you want it, okay?
Go ahead.
Yo.
Like this.
Show what you got, y'all. Hey, y'all. This is Brianca.
This is Brianca.
Brianca's scarf.
We're gonna do it like this.
Mm-hmm.
Like this?
Girl, you look, oh my God.
Good,
You
girl.
look good, girl.
Okay, okay. Just like like that, right?
Yeah, just like that.
And then double tie one more time. And then we just gonna stuff it somewhere. Just like that. Oh, no. Okay, like that.
Oh, okay. So,
Yeah, 'cause y'all
it's
supposed to be
time
ratchet.
now. Okay, it's time to fix our shirts up now. Okay. Okay, how do we do this?
Okay, so girl, you first pull it like this, right?
Pull out like this.
And then
Okay.
you gotta twist that mother sucker.
Like this?
Like that. Okay. No, not your arm, but
Okay.
your hand, boy, your hand,
Okay.
girl.
Yeah, that thing.
Okay, like this, and then you make a knot.
Okay, like this?
Yes, girl.
Okay, like this?
And then you see how I'm going with my fingers like that?
That's my stomach off, girl.
Okay, let me see.
That is crazy.
Hold that real quick.
You struggling?
Oh.
Oh, you got it. Oh. Wait, you was a girl.
I'm Indian, girl.
Okay, but I can't be doing all that up on you.
Yes, you can. Like, what you
No, you baby, cause I'm Brianna.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, you want me to show you right now?
Right now?
Right now.
Yo.
Do this, right? You bend over. Come on, do it.
Like
Do
this?
it, girl. Bend over.
Like this?
Put your hands on your knees.
Put your hands on your knees and bend your rump. Put your back in back. I do the hump.
Baby,
What's up?
that ain't cute, girl.
Okay.
That ain't cute.
Okay, I got too excited.
Let's do a different
I'm
one.
just so excited.
Let's do a different one, okay?
Okay.
Bend
You
over like this.
excited.
And just shake it.
Like this?
There you go, girl. Just shake it. No, it ain't gonna work.
Ain't gonna work?
It ain't gonna work. Sorry, it ain't gonna work.
Okay, girl, so what else we need? We good? We good?
You
Yeah,
Gucci?
you look good, girl. Except for you a little hairy. Should I shave you?
What is that?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Your boy a wax.
No, I'm gonna get earrings. No big earrings. No big earrings.
You want some big hoops?
He got that carpet running up.
Quick man, disclaimer, bro. This for entertainment purposes only. Please do not do this. Please don't screenshot. Please don't screen record this video, because I do not want my kids, especially my boys DJ and Kyrie, growing up and they seeing me do this. You know what I'm saying? This
Oh,
just
they
really
going
don't
see
lie.
it.
Tell them, please don't do it. Please, no. They can't. No. Do you want DJ and Kyrie to see me like this?
Well, you shouldn't be doing it.
Girl, what? Okay, now it's time for us to do our stain pose real quick.
What's that, girl?
Wait, my hair, can you? Brianna, can you help me out? My stuff coming down. Make that, make that thing tight, girl.
Okay.
You can see my lace front.
Look at
my
them
lace.
The
edges.
fact that he know that that's a lace front.
There, girl.
Thank you, girl. Hey, all right, girl. Now we gotta show our
She
stain
should have
pose.
actually glued it down for him and everything.
You wanna go first?
Let me go first.
Go ahead, go first. Show them that stank walk out. Go ahead, show them that stank walk. Oh, that walk out that door. Show them that stank walk. Oh, okay. Yeah, we ready.
Bruh.
Show my stank walk.
Okay, girl. Okay, let me
what
see
the
your
heck?
stank walk, Damika. Let me see, Damika. Ooh, yes, sis. Come on, sis. Come on, girl. Ooh, wee. Ow.
Walk, you know what I'm saying? So who do you think had the better thing walk, me or you?
I think you had a better stank
No, I
walk.
think you killed it, girl.
We both did good.
Okay, girlfriend.
Girl, I'm hungry.
I'm hungry too, girl.
What we gonna eat?
What you want to eat?
Don't be.
Look at him now. He really looking.
Girl, I'm hungry.
I'm hungry too, girl.
What we gonna eat?
What you want to eat?
I'm broke as I don't know.
What about McDonald's? They got the $1 menu.
Let me eat that. Let's go to McDonald's.
It's only $1,
I
girl.
can't afford that. Let me put some change real quick. I got you, girl. Girl, what car you want to take? You want to take that G-Wagon or you want to take that Lambo? Girl, which one?
I want to take the
You want
G-Wagon.
to take that G-Wagon?
Yeah, girl.
Okay, girl. You know, I'm open the door for you, boo-boo, okay?
Oh, okay, girl. Thank you, sis.
Girl, you know you my girl. You my best friend. Like yes, hunty.
For life.
Come on, girl. I got you, baby girl. Here you go. Thank you, wonderful. Here you go. You welcome. Oh my gosh. What the heck? Hey, where my scarf? It's hanging off my head. Oh my gosh,
Yo.
my scarf is hanging off. Like, what's going on? Like, baby girl, my scarf is hanging off.
Ooh, that
You see my
interior.
scarf? Like, oh my god.
We gonna get one of them one day, y'all. But the Jag truck.
Okay, girlfriend.
Period, boo.
Period, boo.
Get back on, girl.
Give me that.
Ratchet.
Hey, what the?
Uh-uh.
No, leave it on. Just leave it on. No, put it back on.
No, you just can't leave it.
Leave it on my head. Can you put it back, please? Like,
Okay.
oh my
I
gosh.
don't know who you getting mad at, but
My head is too big. Like, oh my, ouch. Like, I can't
You got that milk
My
dug.
legs running short again. Brianka, like, really? You gonna laugh at me? Like,
Your head is too big.
help me out. Hide my lace front. Like, sheesh.
There.
Like,
Is that better?
yes, girl.
Out
Give me
here
some.
in these streets looking
We're
bad.
at McDonald's. We got some change.
You got some change?
We got some change.
Do you have some change?
I don't know, girl. Come on, start the car. It's hot. Please start that car.
You doing too much.
No, you
Yeah,
doing
that's
too much.
all.
You doing too much for real.
How much on your bank card?
$2.
$2.
So I can get myself a cheeseburger and a
They about to be split the McChicken. She about to break them on McHalf.
Ooh, they about to be splitting a 4-piece nugget.
Oh, they about to be McMad.
Are you serious? Who or what?
No, you got your own change.
You got me messed up, girl.
You better pay for yourself.
But you got me bent like some fake jewelry, man. Girl, I found a few quarters in here, man. You know what, girl? You know what? You can keep your $2, okay? I found some change anyway.
But that's not $2, so you ain't getting nothing.
I found some change. I found a couple of. I got a.
Oh,
I
that's
got $5.
more than $2.
What you talking about,
so
girl?
can I have like
Here,
$1?
you want some gum?
Y'all gotta split that.
Is there any more gum in here? I got one more left.
Oh,
One
alright,
gum
oh.
left, girl. You know what I'm saying? Let me go ahead and eat my gum or anything. You know, she talking about.
Get that ratchet you
She
going
was
on.
gonna share with me and stuff like that. I can
With the
leave
snack.
already, like, oh my god, like.
Is you driving?
Don't you know, like in the movies, they gotta get real ratchet. We like, and then they pull it out, and then they be
Yeah.
rolling it around their fingers.
Then do the moose chew.
Exactly. Nasty.
Girl, what's wrong with you?
Sorry, sis. Sorry.
Yeah, how I look, y'all? Go ahead, rate me in the comment section. But how I look, y'all? Got my lace front covering up and stuff. You know,
You really wanna know?
You know what I'm saying? What's up, baby?
Your gum that you
See,
gave me,
look, that
it's
little shit.
hard.
Is it hard?
I think it's old.
Ow.
I think you gave me some old gum.
Ow.
Oh,
You
yeah.
gave me some old gum, girl. Jamie, I appreciate that.
Whatever. I don't nobody see me out in public. I ain't trying to really see him. Girl, I'm just trying to. We're gonna go to McDonald's, come right back home, huh?
No, we going other places too. I got something to do today.
Like what? You want to get your toes done?
Yeah, girl. Well, you gonna do something else? Wanna go shopping or something?
Yeah, let's go shopping.
Okay, you ready? You got some money?
I got no money.
You broke.
I'm broke.
Yeah, I'm not going shopping.
This way y'all brew up a plan to go steal.
Oh my gosh, yes! That is crazy.
You're supposed to cover your best friend. You're supposed to look out for your people. Like what?
Okay, but you'll never help me out.
Girl, I do help you out all the time.
All you got is freaking $2.
Okay, yo, you got the $2. I got $5.
Okay, at least I got a card that I can spend a little bit. I can overdraft and stuff.
Overdraft?
Yeah,
Girl, whatever.
Whatever.
My bank don't work like that, man.
because you broke.
So listen, y'all. I'm about to go get some food. I'm hungry. What bank you with? My bank don't allow me to overdraft.
What bank you in? My bank let me.
Cause they know you too well.
Girl, I don't even have a bank, to be honest.
I don't got no bank,
I don't even
girl.
have a what? Girl, they
Oh,
shut my
you got
phone
that
down.
prepaid card, huh?
Like,
The
they
green
$5
dot.
to overdraft these, girl. Like, I
What?
You got that Boost Mobile card.
Girl, I know you ain't buying nothing silly.
Girl, I was buying hella bundles and shit, man. Just weed, stuff like that, you know?
Yeah,
But
you
got
know,
that
waste
synthetic
short
wig
like
on
that.
your head.
Ooh, I think you need your money back.
My money back.
Yeah, because that ain't right.
Yo, let's see your lace front. What are you talking about?
I got real hair, boo.
Real hair.
Okay.
I got real hair.
Okay,
That
don't-
stuff ain't real.
I got hair up under here, girl.
Let me see.
See my hair up under here.
Where?
Dang!
His forehead went from here to here.
You don't got no forehead, you got 6 heads. You
Plasma.
went past 5.
Hashtag projection screens.
Don't worry about it, girl. All right, y'all, so we pull up to McDonald's, you know what I'm saying? Oh, you know what I'm saying? What you about to get, girl?
I'm about to get whatever I want because
What?
I gotta overdraft my card.
You about to overdraft your
Yeah,
card?
girl, so you can get whatever you want. I got
You
you.
gonna pay for me?
I got you.
Oh, okay, bet, boo-boo. Appreciate you.
What you want?
I want everything on the dollar menu.
Okay, whatever.
Yo!
Yes, could I please get the number 4 large? A large sweet tea, please.
Okay.
And then what you want?
I want everything on the dollar
And then can I get everything on the dollar menu?
What's that include, fam?
Well, whatever's on the dollar menu.
Alright, the first one is going to check your order out the window.
Okay. See, you doing too much, Jamie. 'Cause I'm not paying for you.
Are you telling me you need number 6? Then fine.
Dang, come on. What you want?
Let me get the number 6, fine. Like, oh my god.
That's
girl.
it.
Huh?
That's
I
it.
want a triple cheeseburger, girl. Don't pick no onions.
See,
Triple
overdraft me too
cheeseburger.
much. What you
Yo.
want?
Dude, I just told you what I want.
Okay, she don't want
The fact that
everything
he
on dollar
really
menu anymore. She
sound
wants
like
number
a-
6.
Get all the sauces.
No. Yes,
You
please.
said all the
What's a
sauces.
drink?
Sprite, girl.
With a large Sprite.
With a lot of ice.
With a lot of ice.
Yeah, a lot of
With a
ice.
lot,
It-
like,
oh
extra
my
Oh
ice.
my! He
goodness.
better not start chewing that
I
ice.
want all the sauces.
Oh, what kind of sauce do you want?
Give me barbecue. Give me ranch.
Barbecue and sweet and sour.
And ranch, please.
And ranch. I'll pay for the extra.
Oh, you buy.
And then you got apple pies ready? 4, please. You want triple cheeseburger?
Give me the triple cheeseburger.
Triple cheeseburger. No pickle, no onion, please.
Mm-hmm.
And that will complete my order.
No, I want an ice cream cone as well.
No.
A triple cheeseburger. I never
Okay, here you
even
go.
knew McDonald's had
Girl.
those.
I'm paying for
I
it.
don't care.
Well, you got money then?
No, I got some change.
No.
Here. Here you go.
What is that?
Girl, you better watch how you drive. They're like, oh my God.
Do you want to see? You complaining too much, Jamie and Cub.
What?
I'm gonna send you back home.
Girl, whatever.
Whatever. I don't want you.
Girl, get his number from me.
No.
Hey, what's
Yo.
up? I see you. What's up, bro? Hey, bro, we doing a video, fam. Hey, we doing a video, fam. We doing a
He
video.
said, "Id," and walked away.
Hey, get his number.
He like, I don't swing that way, bruh.
Make sure everything up the internet. You get our stuff all the time.
Damien could about to get Damien beat.
Ice cream machine works.
Bro.
Girl,
You is picky.
ask them do they ice machine work.
Oh, he didn't put it on here. I need to pay for the number 4. I'm gonna ask him.
They ask them, like, dang, Brianka. Oh my God, yes. Oreo McFlurry, please. Like, shit.
You just said ice cream cone. Now you're going up on the price.
Girl, just do it. Like, oh my God, girl, I got change for you.
Yo, keep whipping that change up.
That's her change, though.
Okay.
Oh, no, he need to say, oh, okay?
You want to drive?
You don't want me to drive. I'll drive. You want me to drive?
You want to drive?
I'll drive. Like, not playing with me, girl. Oh, why thank you, girl. You know
You're
what?
paying for that.
I'm tired of McDonald's. You know what I'm saying?
That was $3.
$3.
Yes.
McDonald's,
Bro.
they all need to get in our order. They didn't even get Bianca food. Like, they forgot to get her whole
My
meal
name
and
is
stuff.
not Bianca.
Brianka, girl, come on.
Thank you. I already got the
And
other
get it
season.
Everything in the
right.
sauces?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Let me find out they about to go to Burger
girl.
King.
We got time to play no more.
Dang.
Anyway, y'all, so we got our food.
Hey.
Finally, McDonald's. Hope they put some salt on these fries. McDonald's, they be acting like they don't know how to put salt on fries.
Maria.
Oh, my hair.
I thought there was some extra
Ew.
salt.
They could have put a lot of salt on here.
Yeah.
It's not that good, man.
Okay, girl, what you get?
I got me apple pie.
Okay, this is mine.
New Mars. I got some apple pie. Tell what you got, girl.
I got me a crispy buttermilk chicken sandwich and some fries and apple pies.
So what you want to talk about today?
Let's talk about your life, girl.
My life.
Yeah, you
You
got
know what?
how your boyfriend been?
What?
Yeah.
Saying shit, man. Girl. Ain't nothing.
They not nothing.
Nothing.
You don't got no boyfriend no more?
Guys ain't, man, they be playing games, man. Like,
I can't even
Not
eat
mine.
this. It's
At
so
all.
messy.
I don't have time to be playing games. You know what I'm saying?
Mm-hmm.
So how's everything going with you?
Everything going good, girl.
Everything going good with you, girl?
Everything going good, fantastic. I couldn't ask for nothing better.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Is y'all even married yet? You and your dude?
No, girl, he's playing.
He playing?
Yeah, I think he got another little side piece or something.
Really?
Yeah.
Why you still with him then?
Because, girl, that stuff is gone.
What's
if
gone?
you know what I'm talking about.
No, I'm not.
Yeah, girl.
They having that same food, man.
Ew.
Why you do that fast?
What bad? You mean?
You eat too fast.
Girl, so you with your dude because that D good?
Girl, it's bomb. It's the best I ever had.
Really, girl?
For real, nobody ever made me feel like that before. Legs be twitching and stuff, you know what I'm saying?
Toes be curling.
Curling, sis.
God.
Curling.
Now you got pregnant.
Mm-hmm.
So what y'all have?
Oh, we don't know yet, girl.
No, I don't have
Yeah,
yet.
we don't know yet. I don't know.
That's what's up. So how long you been together?
Girl, you know we've been together for 8 years.
8 years?
Yes, he still ain't proposed to
He
me.
still ain't proposed to you?
No.
Yeah.
I swear, but you know his little side piece kind of cute though.
She is.
Yeah, she cute,
You ever
girl.
met her before?
No, but I shouldn't I?
You should have, y'all.
What you think if I ask for 3?
A threesome?
Yeah.
Um,
What you think he gonna say?
I think you'll go for that, man. That's what all guys want.
So you think I should ask him?
I think you should ask her.
Ask him.
It's gonna get spicy in our relationship, girl.
Lot of cheating.
Mm-hmm.
He said it's gonna be something.
Too much stay on that side.
Alright, y'all. So me and
Brianka
Brianka is finally back home. Oh, girl, look at this baby, though. Oh, I can't wait till this baby get here. Ooh, nice and round stomach.
My man be putting it down.
Hey, putting it down, putting it down, putting it down, throwing it down.
Hey,
Hold up, hey, hold up, hold up. Hey, hit him on the steaky walk real quick. Hit him on that steaky walk real quick. Well, yeah, we ready. Steaky leg.
Why are you doing that?
Oh, bring that thing back now. Ooh, bring that thing back. Oh, okay.
Yo.
Oh,
Wiggle our head with you on.
yeah, I like that. Hey guys, if you guys
guys enjoyed this video, give it a fat thumbs up. If you guys want us to do part. Hey guys, how many likes for the video? For 100,000?
I think 100,000.
Guys, we need to get 100,000 likes. We're gonna do part 2 of the Brianna and Damien collab. Feel me? Yo, listen, I ain't gonna cap. I'm full. You know what I'm saying? It's over with. How you enjoy this video? You enjoy it?
It was fun. I feel like it was funny.
You think it was funny?
I feel like you was being funny, yeah.
I was just chilling, you know, want to steak you off real quick?
Go ahead, I think you should.
I'm gonna start with steak you off real quick. Oh, go ahead. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna steak you off right here.
I was about to say,
Fast on that.
close your eyes, babe.
But y'all, this was a hilarious vid, man.
Yeah.
Y'all like our reaction to this? Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe,
Hit that notification bell.
and we be back with another banger.
Bye, y'all. Okay. Hit it with the.
Oh.
Hey! Oh.